Bienvenue and welcome to our new home. Won't you come in? Well, when you first walk in, we have the entrance into our living room, and in the back you'll see the two sets of doors going to the patio. To the left is our sitting room, better known as the Magnolia Room. The grandfather clock came up from Pembroke Pines in one piece, and it does work. Yay! Lots and lots of magnolias. Got some lamps there on the floor that we still have to find homes for. And then directly across is our dining room. Now in the dining room, we're still waiting on our china cabinet we should have in a couple of weeks when we're up here. We have the buffet, some sconces to put up on the wall, and a mirror is going to replace this picture, which is lovely, and that picture is going to go elsewhere. Just very, very warm colors, very inviting. We have a nice space between us and Mrs. Darden, our neighbor. There's part of our driveway. And then to the right is our laundry room. And the laundry room has lots of closets and cabinets, I should say. Probably better to say cabinets than closets because they're not. And then going through the dining room, you go directly into the kitchen. Coming into the kitchen area, have a nice little sitting area with cabinets and built-in drawers. And for the most part, the kitchen is all finished. We have some appliances coming in a couple of weeks, but other than that, the kitchen is all put together. Here we have a pantry and a broom closet next to it. And then you go into the nice little dining area, and you'll notice that a lot of these rooms have odd angles. It's not square box here. The shelves with our object d'art that we have collected over the years, along with some more pictures that we will hang the next time we come up. And a whole bunch of tchotchkes to put on top of the shelves there on the shelf. Off the kitchen is what we've turned into sort of a reading room and office. My trip up here just had this built-in desk put into the closet. Got some boxes to empty with photo albums and just pictures and lots of stuff, but put together 3 bookcases to have it all. And then our guest bath. Going back through the kitchen, we have a couple of doors going out to the patio, and then that comes into the living room. The living room is done as well. And one thing to note here, I'll go up a little bit. All of the rooms have crown molding in them. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. See, here's the rest of the living room, our front door. Yes, that's Ollie the owl. He's very happy in his new new home above the fireplace. Beautiful carpet that Paul picked out. And as you can see, there is a theme here of peacocks. Going back into the foyer, there's the Magnolia Room. Leads into this area. We have the guest room. The mattress will be coming up on our final move. And then we have the guest bath, better known as the Turtle Haven. And a lot of the items in here we have from the house, as the house was primarily southwest. Hello. That goes into the next room that we have just turned into a sitting room. Bookcase with a lot of stuff on it to find a home. That just was from the unpacking. And then I'll finally get to have time to play the piano for a little bit. And finally, there's 2 more doors here going out to the patio. To give you perspective, here's the living room again. And then that leads us into our master bedroom. And the master bedroom is pretty well finished. The only thing we need to go on top of this fireplace is our fish. And the fish and fish tank will be coming up in a couple of weeks along with our fur baby kitty cats. And then that leads us into our master bath. With the toilet there. And one of the pluses that we had no idea about when we actually bought the house is our walk-in closet. And that could turn into a whole nother room too if we wanted to do an Airbnb or something like that. So that is about it. I thank you for joining on the tour. We'll have more to show as we move along here. But, there we go. But I wish you all a wonderful day, a beautiful life. Be nice to each other. Bye.